Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Anybody that's new to the channel, my name is Chris. I'm a dividend and value investor that researches stocks, and I try to give you guys the most up-to-date information that I possibly can. And today we're going to be talking about Tesla stock. I want to talk about the first full week that Tesla had of them being included into the S&P 500. As we all know, everybody loves Tesla, and there are a lot of bull investors on Tesla and there's a lot of bear investors on Tesla. But in this video, I want to go over some articles that I kind of found interesting, and I want to make sure I push this information to you just to see if you guys are well informed on Tesla stock, and just make sure you guys are the most up-to-date information on Tesla stock. And I do a lot of research for you guys, and I try to make sure you guys don't have to worry about too much research. Remember to always do your due diligence. I am not a financial advisor, and if you guys do appreciate the video and want to support the channel, please remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and smash the like button. All right guys, so let's get into this juicy articles on Tesla stock. All right guys, so you can see down here in this chart, Tesla stock is trading at $661.77. All right, guys. So we can see the last 5 days, and this is where it was finally included into the S&P 500. All right, where you see right here, Monday, December 21st at 9:30, which is market open, it was trading at $657.46. All right. And as we continue to go, we can see that it kind of did hit a low on Tuesday, December 22nd at $618.41. All right. And I'll tell you guys a little bit why there was a dip on this stock and what new developments have been continuing to develop pertaining to Tesla stock. All right, so let's look at what analysts have been saying. When it comes to Tesla stock, number one being a strong buy and number 5 being a sell, a lot of investors are saying that Tesla is a 2.8, which is still considered kind of a hold. But what the most interesting part is this one. Out of the 30 analysts, they have a low price target of $40 and a high target of $788. But right now, its current price is at $661.77. They have an average of $411.53. So you can see there's a huge extreme when it comes to the very lows of the stock price of Tesla and very high when it comes to Tesla. I mean, it's just ridiculous from the bearish investors all the way to the bullish investors. All right. So now I want to talk about what happened on the dip. Okay, because many people thought, oh, when Tesla gets included into the S&P 500, this stock price is going to skyrocket, shoot up to $700, and it didn't quite perform like many investors did, especially the very first day. On the very first day, it dropped most 5%. So let's talk about it. In this article right here, researchers says Tesla stock is too expensive and in bubble territory following Apple car report. Okay, and here's the very important thing right now. Okay, Apple reported on Monday that they're going to start to pursue and start production of their own electric vehicle by 2024. Okay, this is the second time that Apple's kind of announced something pertaining to their electric vehicles. They first reported something in 2014 when there was rumors that they were going to start production of their own self-driving cars. Now in 2020, it's still not confirmed yet, but it's a more how can I say this, a more reliable source that by 2024 they're going to start production of their own electric vehicle. Okay, and this kind of put a lot of investors in a frenzy because Apple is one of those huge tech companies that when it comes to technology, nobody could really compare against Apple. But Apple is not a car company. Tesla is a car company. At the same time, Tesla is also a technology company as well. So a lot of investors are like, by 2024, maybe 2025 or year 2026, it's going to be a lot of competition versus Apple and Tesla. And I think it's going to be very exciting. I kind of did a video on the Apple release and the new car and about the new car in one of my previous videos. If you guys want to go check that out, I'm going to put the link down in the description. So it's just a lot of information. And obviously, when there's more competition in the EV realm, the people are going to be a little bit worried, a little bit scared. Again, Tesla sells a lot of units, sells a lot of cars every quarter, yes, but they don't sell as many units like General Motors sells or like Volkswagen. So that's something that a lot of investors always have to keep worrying about. And a lot of people always bet against Tesla. And I found this article that I found really interesting. Okay, Tesla short sellers have lost more than $39 billion betting against Tesla stock in 2020. Okay, that is a huge amount. Okay, a lot of analysts, investors have bet against Tesla, saying that Tesla is overvalued, right? But when it comes to Tesla stock, guys, Tesla stock is rumored to be the company of the future. It's not a short-term play. Why? Because they're not selling as many units like General Motors or Volkswagen, but it's going to be a short-term play if they somehow lower the cost of the battery. Tesla reported in their last presentation that they will be releasing a car that's worth around $25,000, making it the cheapest electric vehicle that's going to be on the market for Tesla, okay? That is huge news because when it comes to electric vehicles, a lot of these cars are really overpriced because of the battery packs and all the things that has to be put into these cars. But if Elon Musk and Tesla as a whole could somehow release a car of $25,000 or less, there's going to be a lot more demand for that particular car, therefore making Tesla selling more units per quarter, making them a lot more revenue and a lot more profit. So again, there are a lot of bullish investors, but when you look at the long-term aspect of this, there's a lot of bullish cases for Tesla. And in this article, I kind of want to go over this article a little bit. I'm not going to read everything. I'm going to just go over the main points about some of the paragraphs that I really found interesting. This was probably one of the most interesting articles that I found. It's called High Flying Tesla Stock Takes a Hit First Day in the S&P 500, okay? Why? Because Tesla already gained over 700% this year, and everybody thought, it's going to gain even more once it gets included into the S&P 500, okay? So right off the bat, in the very first couple paragraphs, it shows you basically the history on Tesla, how Tesla used to struggle. In the middle of last year, Tesla losses were piling up. The sales weren't really there, and everybody was struggling when it comes to Tesla. There were also verges that Tesla was going to be in bankruptcy, and a whole bunch of stuff happened when pertaining to Tesla, okay? But since then, Tesla has gained nearly 700%, and their share prices are around $649 with the time they made this article. And the day of the S&P 500, it tumbled 6.5%, but in the week, it only lost 0.4%, which is not too huge of a hit for a week. But when it comes to Tesla stock, a lot of investors want their money not just 0.4% up or down, okay? But still, even though they did take a huge hit, didn't really perform like many investors wanted it to perform, it still reached an all-time high on Friday. And in this paragraph right here, let me see if I can highlight it for you guys. Global sales hit a record of almost 140,000 vehicles in the third quarter, okay? And that is huge, right, guys? So, but then, we always have bear investors, including short sellers who have lost millions, like I was previously saying in the previous article. But there's always one investor that's always trying to shed the light. And one of the main investors that's really high on Tesla is ARK Invest. Okay, ARK Invest believes that this is the company of the future, stating that if you look at the company like Tesla, they're single-handedly in a way sort of making that curve because they're the largest producers of batteries, okay? So when it comes to Tesla, remember, it's not just an electric vehicle company. They also offer solar panels. They also offer basically the production of the chargers for them to produce the chargers, install it and uninstall it, and the battery technology, okay? Right here is talking about the cars and the $25,000 car that it was rumored to be released, okay? ARK sees Tesla shares rising up to $1,400 by 2024. And if you're a Tesla bull and you love Tesla as a whole, seeing this sentence, ARK sees Tesla shares rising to $1,400 a share by 2024. And that is a huge number. Many people don't believe it. Tesla was at $1,400 earlier this year before they had a 5-to-1 stock split. And look, we are at an all-time high yet again. And if they could reach $1,400 by 2024, that'd be a huge slap in the mouth for a lot of investors, a lot of short sellers that are betting against Tesla, okay? Why? Because they have so many things going for them. And these two paragraphs right here, I kind of want to read it for you guys because I feel like it gives you guys a lot of value. This all makes little sense to bears who consider Tesla valuation absurdly high. Many people do think the valuation of Tesla is extremely high right now. On paper, Tesla is worth more than Toyota, Volkswagen, General Motors, Ford, Fiat, Chrysler, Nissan, and Daimler combined. And that is huge, guys. Tesla's market cap is, top 10, if not top 3 right now in the US market, okay? When they got introduced into the S&P 500, it was one of the top 10 largest companies included into the S&P, making it the 5th largest weighted company on the S&P with a 1.69% weight in the S&P. That is a huge amount, guys, because of the market cap evaluation. There are a lot of investors and analysts like JP Morgan. Analyst Ryan Brinkman, right, believes that Tesla shares are, in our view, and by virtually every conventional metric, not only overvalued but dramatically so. And he has a price target of $90. On November earnings conference call, Toyota President Akio Toyoda said that Tesla isn't a real automaker yet. You can use the analogy of kitchen and chef. They have not created a real business yet or a real world yet. but they're trying to trade the recipes, and the chef is saying that, well, our recipe is going to become the standard of the world in the future. I think that this is kind of the business they have, okay? And that is huge when somebody from another company basically putting a company on blast, saying that you're making us think this company is a company in the future, but is it really the company in the future? And in that case, is really debatable, okay? Eric Gordon, a business and law professor at University of Michigan, stated that at some point Tesla has to prove itself as a business, not as a stock market phenomenon, okay? Because many people see numbers, okay? A lot of people see the numbers and basically break down every single thing, picture to picture, decimal to decimal, okay? They want to see Tesla sell more cars, okay? They don't want to see Tesla selling credits to make a profit. They want to see Tesla selling cars and making revenue. Maybe that's why Elon Musk says that right now the market cap of Tesla is overvalued, because he doesn't really see too many units being sold. But when it comes to Tesla, guys, if you're a Tesla bull or a Tesla bear, you know, Tesla is going to be a company of the future, in my opinion, okay? Full disclosure, I do have Tesla shares, but I'm really realistic with my investments, okay? I don't have too much money into Tesla, but I do have a good amount of chunk of cash into Tesla, because I believe it's a company in the future. And I'm willing to ride the waves up and down no matter what's going to happen from here or to 2026 if Apple does release their cars, okay? I do believe that Tesla, with the battery technology, if they could somehow become the number one player, the real number one player when it comes to units sold, and how well their profit margins are when they sell their cars, and stop really selling the credits to make profit, and they start making real profits by not using the credits, they're going to be a company to really make some noise. They could be the number one automaker, official automaker, not just a battery company, but a real automaker, if they start selling more units. If they sell General Motors type units, this company could really be a phenomenon, okay, guys? So to wrap things up, guys, and when it comes to Tesla stock, I easily see this company heading to 2021, hitting $750 a share before April, okay? I do feel like Elon Musk and the whole Tesla organization has a lot of things up their sleeve, and when it comes to their next conference call or their next earnings call, when they have new releases and new information for us all, we're gonna be wooed off our feet once again. Okay, guys, I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the articles that I kind of showed you. I hope you guys got a ton of great value and information from this video. If you guys do appreciate the research I've been doing for you guys and try to give you guys the most up-to-date information that I possibly can, please remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification, and smash the like button. All right, guys, please stay safe out there. Wear your masks. Be kind to one another. Be safe from one another. Hug everybody. Happy New Year, guys. Have a great day. Next time. Peace.